Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the trumpet for beginners. This will be a full tutorial, but also a relatively easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'm going to be going over the process for playing the trumpet from start to finish. I just said from start to finish, but from start to finish. I think you know what I mean. I am a relatively experienced trumpet player. I did play in elementary school and high school, and I stopped playing for many years, and I just recently started picking it up again. By the end of this video, you will know how to make some sounds on the trumpet, and you'll sort of be at a beginner stage. Then you can work your way up to playing notes. I'll just play a little something for you like this. If you really belt it out, which is why I'm in my basement bathroom, so that the rest of the house has a much smaller chance of actually hearing me play right now, because it is a loud instrument, so be prepared to sort of make some significant sound with it. I do have 4 young kids. My wife is with them right now, so I figured I'd quickly make this video because they're all awake. Okay, anyways, so essentially, the first thing is getting your mouthpiece and putting it into the trumpet. Make sure your mouthpiece is washed, sanitized, whatever. You know, you want to make sure you wash it, you clean it properly, however you decide to do that. Take the mouthpiece and insert it into the mouthpiece opening over here, just like that. Okay? You can also give it a little twist if you want. That's what I used to do and I still do, just to really make sure it stays in there. But generally speaking, mouthpieces don't fall out because you are constantly putting pressure on them when you're playing, okay? How do you hold the trumpet? Well, very simple. Look at the trumpet and look at the side of the brass that connects to the mouthpiece. There's going to be a little hook over there. Get your right pinky finger hooks onto there, okay? And then your right thumb sort of gives some pressure here. Some people go like this all the way through, or like this. It doesn't really matter. But your pinky and your thumb are surrounding those valves there, okay? So that these 3 fingers can play the valves. You have valve 1, valve 2, valve 3. Valve 1 is with your index finger, valve 2 is with your middle finger, valve 3 is with your ring finger, all on your right hand. Okay? So your right hand does the majority of the work. Okay? Now your left hand is there for support and a little bit of tuning. It's up to you if you want to take that route. But essentially, your left hand on the opposite side of the mouthpiece, so your left hand is going to be on the bell side over here, on the bell side. And essentially your thumb is going to go in that little piece right there. Okay, and then there should be another ring here, but this trumpet doesn't have that ring. I did lose it, so I will be getting a replacement soon. I got this trumpet used, and like I said, it had the ring, I lost it, and I'm going to be getting a replacement. But your thumb goes here, and your pinky would go in that ring right there. And these actually move so you can tune, right? Generally speaking, that's more for experienced players, but yeah, you can definitely do it, okay? Like that. Okay, and then your extra fingers sort of just rest on top of the bell. Some people put them over here, some people put them on the bell, it's up to you. But the main thing is that your pinky goes in that loop that should be there, and your thumb goes in that little sort of U-shaped piece right there. That's it. That is how to hold the trumpet. How do you make sounds? How do you buzz your lips? Okay, very simple. Go right? When you do that, go and then tighten your lips a little bit. And then try and make a buzzing sound by just brrr with your lips, okay? So, tighten, and then that's it, literally. I mean, you will get better at it, you will be more reformed, but if you can make that sound, you can play the trumpet. Lick your lips, and you use your tongue. I'm pushing my tongue against my lips to create stops and stoppings, okay, stoppages, stopperinos, I don't know, I'm just making up words at this point. But you can use your tongue to control those notes. Now you're going to do that on the mouthpiece to play a sound. Don't push any valves down, okay? Just play a very simple sound by buzzing into the mouthpiece. So do the buzzing sound and make the mouthpiece go around your lips like this, and then just play a sound like this. And then you can tighten your lips to go higher without pushing any valves. And then, whoa, took a lot out of me there. to catch my breath. And you can practice going higher and lower without any valves. Once you've got that down, it's just a matter of pressing the valves. And when you press the valves and alter your lips to go higher or lower, you'll get different sounds. So I'll just play through a quick scale. Sorry about that. I've been doing too many videos, I lost my voice. I filmed like 40 videos, 45 videos I think the other day in a single day. I was at 40 and I did a few more. I think I ended up at 45. So I better slow it down a little bit for a day or two to get my voice back. But essentially, what you want to do is you want to just press some of the valves and get some notes. Now watch, I'm going to press the same combination of valves multiple times, but it's going to produce different sounds depending on my lips. Okay, so check this out. Perfect. Now, I am just getting back into trumpet. I did play for many years, like I said earlier in this video, I believe, but I am just getting back into it, so I am a little bit rusty. I'm a little bit rusty. But I'm getting back into it, and I should be nice and fluent within a matter of a couple of days, to be honest with you. It's just muscle memory at this point. I didn't even practice that scale. I literally picked up a trumpet, and I played the scale like 10 seconds later the other day when I just started playing again. So muscle memory is a key factor. But that's it. That is how to play the trumpet for beginners, a full tutorial. I wanted to keep it very simple. I didn't use words like embouchure or anything like that. You can go look that up. But I want to keep it extremely simple, just so you can understand the basics of it. Yeah, and that's it. There's ways to, oil your valves, maintain your trumpet, empty your valves over here. You can empty all of use the spit valves to empty out the spit that's in the trumpet. Yeah, but definitely easy to play. You can honestly pick it up in a matter of a couple days if you practice. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.